All right, your topic is describe a company where you live that employs a lot of people. Please, you can start.
I know of many workplaces around my hometown, such as school, industries, and banks. And here I would like to talk about a food industry which is around to my house, and he employs a lot of people. It is a food industry named as Dawn Bread, and it was founded in 1940s. And the head of the department, HR department, Mr. Faisal Nawaz, is a very dear friend to me, and he told me a lot about the company. This company employs range from many as 50,000, and the employer-employee relationship is really good. The company provide many facilities to their employee, which include health. They provide healthcare to their employee at very low cost, and they also have a school where the workers' children can obtain education for free. They also have a housing society where employee can get.
Well, I'm sorry, your answer is all about reading. So you're just looking down. You should maintain good eye contact with the examiner. And the way
Okay.
you sound, it sounds like you are reading something. So it should not be like reading. Your answer should be spoken one. And as you answer, although there is no marking criteria for eye contact, but still you have to look into the eyes of examiner,
Okay,
right?
sir.
Maintain good eye contact with the examiner, coordinate with the examiner. You can take a look at your notes, then again look at the examiner, look at your notes, look at the examiner. This is how you should go on, right?
Okay.
This will be better. Now, let's move on. Speaking part three. Is it easy to find a job in your country?
No, not at all. My country has a big population. It's about 24 crores. So there is always a race to get a job in my country. So it is not an easy job to find a job in my country.
Okay, just try to add a little more to it and use the words like unemployment, joblessness, variety of words. Because use the word job, job, job. You can write employment opportunities, joblessness, all these words. So try to demonstrate good vocabulary along with good sentence structure in part three, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.